Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tammy, and I have another dolly collecting video for you today. I actually purchased a couple of these, I don't know what you call them, doll bundles. Last Christmas, it would have been Christmas 2019, I guess. I got a couple of these Nanea packages that come with the doll and a stand and books. And then I got a couple of these Maryellen. And they had like a flash sale on the American Girl site, and they were super duper cheap. I want to say they were like $15 or something like that, like crazy inexpensive. But one of the issues I had was that I remember I had trouble getting them in my cart and actually checking out because they were selling so quickly. I didn't realize it at the time. I ended up calling the 800 number and getting help to check out because I couldn't figure out. I had these dolls in my cart and it wasn't letting me check out. Well, come to find out, somebody had cart jacked me is what they call it, cart jacking, right? So I had to have somebody help me, and even as she was helping, she was like, oh, this one sold out, oh, this one sold out. So finally I just said, give me 2 Maryellen, give me 2 Nanea, and let's call it a day, and I get out of there. So I made sure at least I got some of these. I purchased them originally planning to give them as gifts for my grandnieces, which I still plan to do, but unfortunately I had planned to give them in person. They came to visit in February. It was, yeah, I guess it was early February. They were coming down for a visit to Florida, where I live. They went and spent some time at Disney, and they were staying at my their great grandma's, my mom and dad's house. And I had plans to go visit them, but I was super duper sick. And there was just no way I was going to be able to drive myself there in the car, and then I didn't want to get them all sick. As it turns out, obviously for obvious reasons that we all know now, it was probably really good that I didn't go. I mean, I honestly think I did have COVID at the time because of all the issues and everything I've heard about it. It sounds exactly like what I had. Luckily, I didn't have to go to the hospital, but I was extremely sick for over a month. I would say pushing 2 months. I was very sick. So, and I did go to the doctor, just FYI. So anyway, moving on. So I didn't get to hand these to them in February. Now I have these boxes, and they're really heavy. I weighed them, and I could ship them because I have, a mailing scale and all that kind of stuff, and I could do it through Pirate Ship, which is a website where you can get, labels and stuff like that. These are over 3 pounds each. Let me go ahead and open one up for you, and you can see, I think, did I take the plasticky thing? Oh, they've got these little doohickeys here. I'm back, and I will tape that back up depending on what I do. I'll tell you my thoughts here, but let's take a look at these boxes. I thought it would be a good time to go ahead and film a little video and show you what's in these, because just, we're coming up on the holiday season, and this might be a good time to start stocking the American Girl site if you're looking to get some gifts for your own doll collection or for people on your gift list. So here is Maryellen, and she's in a nice little box. This is a nice box. So again, we've got a little, and yes, I'm going to gift these, but I have to take a look at them. I have to inspect them. There could be something wrong with these dolls. But they've been in my closet. I'm trying to get some room in here, and I had forgotten about these, honestly. Oh, so these, okay, so by the way, I should point out, obviously, these are the mini American Girl dolls. And I'm not going to take her out of the, she's really tied in there. She is super cute. My goodness. What a nice looking little doll. So, also, I mean, I know some people say, American Girl dolls are so expensive and yada, yada, yada. I don't have room for those big dolls. Well, these little mini dolls might be an option for you. They're smaller. They're usually, I'm trying to remember, I bought one before and I had like a $10 off coupon. I want to say they're around $25. I'll try to look it up and put a little caption down below. But she's super cute. She has an adorable little crocheted, lacy looking like little vest that goes over her little sundress. Oh my gosh, she's very cute. She has cute little undies, little Mary Jane type black shoes. I don't know about the black shoes. I think it would have been white would have been better. But anyway, she's super nice. She's in this nice little, just if you gave that alone, that would be a nice gift. And then we have, in here they have a stand for her. So if you wanted to just set her up in a curio, you could do that. And then there's these books. There's 3 books here. They're chapter books, you know, for little girls to read or little boys to read. So they're pretty, I mean, you get 3 books, a stand, and the doll. So this to me is like such a cool gift, all right? So, or, you know, like I said, you can buy them for yourself too. So anyway, what I'm wondering is, and you know, comment below what are your thoughts, because there are different parts and pieces to this. There's the doll and the stand and 3 books. I'm wondering if maybe I should break this up and mail this in bits and pieces. I mean, this isn't necessarily what I consider a Christmas gift. I tend to not give specific, except for my immediate family, when it comes to like all the grandnieces and nephews and things like that. Auntie Tammy just sends stuff when Auntie Tammy feels like it. They don't necessarily get a gift that's marked, oh, this is for Christmas, or this is for, you know, your birthday or whatever. Just throughout the year, I just send stuff whenever I feel the urge to do so. So anyway, I thought it might be neat to just send the doll by itself, and then later send a book, and then send another book, and then send another book. So basically spread out the gift giving a little bit. And let's see, let me go ahead and open up Nanea, and we'll take a look at her. And then that would kind of make it easier for me to ship, because if I ship it in this box, then I'm going to have to put this box in a box because of this plastic thing here. It's not, you know, it's not, I couldn't just mail it. Whereas if I kept them in, like the book, I could just put that in a mailer. And even this, I think this would fit in a, let me see, in fact. Yeah, like I have these bubble mailers, and I think she would fit in there. Ooh, yeah. She would fit right in there, so just depending on how heavy that is, but I don't think that's, if it's under a pound, it's pretty, the shipping is not a big deal for me to do. When I start getting over a pound, then it gets a little bit more effort, put it that way. All right, so let me open up her box here. So originally when I bought these, I had 3 grandnieces that I bought them for. And since then, since that was, like I said, so I bought this in November, December time, 2019. And since then, I have had another grandniece show up. We have lots of girls. And in fact, somebody is also pregnant now. So I'm like, okay, I had originally bought 2 Naneas thinking one Nanea would be for Aunt Tammy and the other one would be for the grandnieces. But now I have 4 grandnieces. No, yeah, well, 3, 4, right. Get a grip here. I have 4 grandnieces. The youngest is really young. She turned a year. She has turned a year. So this is really not a good 1-year-old gift. So I don't know if I would give her one of these. I have some little stuffed dolls that I made that I might send her. And then when she gets older, maybe she'll get one of these. But anywho, the other girls are quite a bit older than her. All right, so she is really cute. Again, I'm not going to take her out of the packaging. If I do later, I'll make another video. But this is really, this is the same outfit she has, because I have this doll. She is just miniaturized. So these little mini dolls are so cute. Very nice packaging. Again, this has the stand, the doll stand, if you wanted to just put her in a curio. And then we have, oops, that's a piece of cardboard there. We have 3 more books. Nanea, the Legend of the Shark Goddess. Growing Up with Aloha. And Hula for the Home Front. So, these are cute. This would be, like I said, I could break these up. I'm kind of, if you haven't noticed, I think I'm leaning towards breaking them up and just sending them out here and there. The downside of that is then I have to remember to do that, and also, you know, storage. I actually have, like I said, I have 2 of these and 2 of the Maryellen dolls, so sets here. So we'll see. Let me know, what do you guys think? Should I try to go for it and just spend the big bucks and get it shipped out together? Or should I break it up? But anyway, yeah, we've got Maryellen and we've got Nanea here in the house, heading out as probably early Christmassy time, almost gifty from Aunt Tammy. And yeah, so keep an eye out on, you know, I'm not affiliated, by the way, with American Girl Doll, but do keep an eye out. This is the time of year everybody has Black Friday sales. Even past Black Friday, they have Black Friday sales, and all these, this is the time of year to, anyway, scope out all the sales. And when I do see good sales, I post them on my Dolly Daily group over on Facebook. I have links below of all my social media links, and one of them is the Dolly Daily group. So if you're a doll collector, we welcome all doll collecting types over there. We obviously Blythe is very popular among us, but we have American Girl collectors, Barbie collectors, you name it, we have it over there. So everyone is welcome. We are a diverse group, and we would like to have everybody who loves dolls to hang out with us. So yeah, otherwise, thanks for stopping by. I appreciate your time. And of course, you know the drill. Always appreciate a thumbs up. Please subscribe, especially if you haven't already, and make sure to hit the icon bell so that you get notifications. Have a wonderful Dolly day. Bye-bye.